Okay, very nice to meet you, Dennis.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
And
Mr. John.
I'm so happy that you're innovative in one of the engineering equipment in water drilling that is very, very important in our countries in Africa. The reason why is because, of course, there are quite a number of areas within Africa that is very drought-stricken, and water resources are scarce. So over time, drilling of water has been key to make sure that every household, whether in rural areas where they can get enough water on the ground, they get water for their domestic use. It's a human human right. It's a basic need.
Right.
Water.
Right.
There's no question about it.
Actually, that's what we are doing for the past 7 years.
Yes.
We've been on the international market for 7 years.
Excellent.
For now.
That's lovely.
And we have exported drilling rigs to Europe, to Latin America,
Okay.
to Africa, and even to the Middle and Far East.
Awesome.
Our customers include, as you said, normal physical people, physical person, individuals who
Okay.
want like to buy small-scale rigs, just maybe to develop their business,
Yeah.
and also big drilling companies.
All right. I think I should have started by introducing myself.
Right.
My name is John Mwangi. I come from Kenya. For those who don't know where Kenya is, Kenya is in East Africa. And of course, if you have more doubt about what to identify Kenya is that we have some people within our population who can run 2 hours continuously in the same pace without taking a break for water. And this is what we are known. Keep talking,
He's
for example.
my friend because I watched his race online.
Awesome. So you can know that we are somewhere in the map of Africa and in the world. So yes, Dennis, I'll tell you for a fact, I have a passion in water, drilling water. I've seen areas in our arid and semi-arid areas within Kenya and the region. And but we have a lot of resources, water resources, on the ground. And these water resources can be drilled using the technology that you're using. We love Russian technology because it's unique.
Actually, I can tell you that we have experience of supplying already one drilling rig to Kenya.
Okay, excellent.
Yeah, but it was a small one.
Okay.
And, similar to this.
Okay.
But electrical.
Awesome.
Yeah, all of them are hydraulic.
Okay.
But the one which was supplied was electrical. So you need to connect it to electricity.
Okay.
But,
excellent.
Yeah, and for the customer is using it already in Kenya. So
now that we're building a business partnership between Russia and Africa, and cemented by just what we are doing here in the Russia-Africa Summit,
right.
Let's do it now.
Of course.
This is the theme of this year.
Yeah, and I'm convinced that maybe the main goal, the main useful goal for for businesses of this summit, maybe not even in the conferences which are arranged here, but mainly in the networking, which this summit helps to implement.
Okay.
Even here, a lot of people meet.
I see.
And you get to know each other, and you start to trust these people.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely. So I'll give you some little bit of opportunities that are there. Our government in Kenya is really focused on making sure that every homestead in the long run is connected to water, and therefore there are community boreholes that are earmarked to be drilled over time. And I will definitely introduce BST to the government and to some other players within the industry, so that you can have a leverage on our quest to have everybody watered soon.
Yeah, I think that would be great because during these 7 years that we operate internationally, we did receive a lot of requests, I would say, from the government for governmental projects, but of course not directly from the government, but maybe from some agents or from some people who have heard that there would be a governmental project and they would need some bids submitted for these projects.
Excellent.
But since we have no presence in Kenya and we did not have like until now, some how to say, people who could be related to these projects. So we did not manage to win them, because some people maybe whom the government knows better, so they always won. So for us it was very challenging to compete with other companies who already have a good reputation. However, it does not mean that we cannot fulfill these projects.
True.
As I have already explained you,
Yeah.
our company has enough manufacturing capacities just to produce up to 5 or 10 truck-mounted drilling rigs at one time, after which we can supply them in one batch.
Yeah.
And let us say even there is a governmental project for 100 drilling rigs, still we can complete it step by step in several batches.
Okay, I like that. One of the things that I've found unique with your drilling equipment is that you're supplying a full turnkey solution. That means there is the truck,
Right.
there is the drilling equipment,
Right.
there is the pump,
Right.
and for that, I think you're also able to ship the whole complete solution
Exactly.
to the port in Mombasa,
Yes.
for
yes,
example.
yes, yes,
And you
that's
will do your part here, making sure that you clear with the customs here,
Yes.
and put the equipment, make sure that the logistics are handled up to where we have the equipment in Mombasa, and
Yeah.
then whoever is buying
Yeah.
can clear on his side, and this is in Kenya.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's right.
good.
Well, that's right. So we deliver on a CIF conditions.
Okay, CIF, yes.
CIF conditions. So we do complete customs clearance here in Russia in order to export it abroad.
Okay.
And if we take like this rig, all the tools will
Yes.
be put
Yeah.
on the truck.
Okay.
Will be put on the truck and delivered just to your place.
Now, another big question for you. What about the spare parts after you've delivered the equipment? Of course,
Right.
there's wear and tear over time. What is this arrangement?
Well, I have to say just from the very beginning that when we supply the rig, we already include the standard spare part kit with it.
Okay, excellent.
Which will be enough for you to run the rig maybe up to 1 year without any problems.
That's good.
And during this period, you gain experience of operating with the rig. And you understand so which spare parts you will need in the future, and then you can just place the order for these spare parts additionally, and we can supply them to you on a need to procure basis.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
We're in business.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
It was nice to
Zimmer.
meet you, my
Yeah,
brother.
nice to meet you
All right.
too.
Cheers. Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right.